breaking down 3 easy gimbal moves that'll make your footage look pro, even if you're just getting started. First up, the Dolly Move. This is where you move your camera straight forward or backward. A dolly in builds tension and pulls the viewer in. A dolly out gives breathing room or reveals something dramatic. It works best when you keep your steps slow and steady, and to level it up, add a slow tilt as you move. That little extra movement adds depth to your shot. Next, the truck move. This is basically moving sideways from left to right or from right to left while keeping your subject in frame. It's a simple way to add motion and show off more of your subject or space. If you can frame something in the foreground of your camera while doing the truck move, it makes your shot seem a little more intentional, adding a tad bit more motion, making it seem more cinematic. Move 3, the Parallax. This is when the camera moves around your subject and the background shifts behind them. It's that classic superhero shot, like in the Avengers or in Iron Man. You can parallax around anything, a car, a person, even a set of tires. The key is keeping your subject centered in the frame while you make a smooth arc around them. You don't need a perfect circle, even a slight curve adds enough movement to make it feel cinematic. Those are 3 gimbal moves that'll make your shots feel more professional. If you like this video, comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time.